Dear students, in previous video, we learned that energy of orbitals in hydrogen and hydrogen-like atoms consisting of only one electron depends only on principal quantum number. However, in case of multi-electron atoms, the energy of orbital depends on principal quantum number as well as azimuthal quantum number. So, energies of S, P, D, F are different. In single electron atom, there exists only force of attraction between nucleus and electron. However, in multi-electron atoms, in addition to this attractive force, there exists force of repulsion between electrons too. However, atom is stable because the attractive force is stronger than repulsive force. Shielding or screening effect. With increase in atomic number, positive charge on nucleus increases by Ze, and so it is expected that this positive charge is uniformly experienced by all electrons in the atom. However, due to presence of electrons in inner shells, the outer shell electrons can't experience full nuclear charge. This is called shielding or screening of outer shell electron from nucleus by inner shell electrons. This effect is called shielding or screening effect. Effective nuclear charge, Z effect. Due to shielding of outer shell electrons by inner shell electrons, the nuclear charge experienced by outer shell electrons is always less than the full nuclear charge. Here comes the concept of effective nuclear charge. The net positive charge experienced by the electron from the nucleus is called effective nuclear charge, Z effective. It is equal to the number of protons in the nucleus, that is Z, minus the average number of electrons, S, present between the nucleus and the given electron. Energies of orbitals. We know that energy of shells increases with increase in principal quantum number. Each shell consists of different subshells. In case of hydrogen, all subshells have same energies within a shell. However, in case of multi-electron atom, the energies of orbitals within the same shell is different. Why is it so? Let's study this. Electrons in s orbital have high possibility of being near the nucleus than a p orbital. Similarly, p orbital have high possibility of being near nucleus than d orbital, and so on. So it can be understood that s orbital is less shielded than a p orbital, which is less shielded than d orbital, and so on. So, effective nuclear charge experienced by s orbital electrons is higher than p orbital electrons, which is higher than d orbital electrons. So, s orbital electrons is tightly held by nuclear force than p orbital electrons. Similarly, p orbital electrons are held by stronger force than d orbital electrons. It means that effective nuclear charge experienced by electrons in various orbitals of a shell decreases with increase in azimuthal quantum number L. Thus, the energy of electrons in orbitals of same shell increases with increase in value of L. For example, electrons in 3s orbital have less energy than electrons in 3p orbitals, which have less energy than electrons in 3d orbital. In short, the lower value of n plus L for an orbital, the lower is its energy, and if two orbitals have the equal value of n plus L, then in that case, orbital with lower value of n will have lower energy.